So here's what I'm doing. So I've got to have a void underneath this top layer. I've got to have a void underneath this top layer of Formica, of the presswood here, into this 3/4 inch plywood. So what I want to do is hog that out a little bit. I had to tighten up my bit. There's another one up here. It's going to allow that someplace to turn into. Going to allow this clip, when it's on that sink, it's going to be in the sink like this, and it's going to allow it somewhere, a void to turn back and into. So when it draws it up, it's holding down. Because if you don't, if it's like the front here, there's no room to get that in there. So we'll do the same on the front, except now listen. When you do this here at the front, it's not that thick. So you have to be careful with where you're going in at. We're going to go in at this second, in the second plywood, piece of plywood here, not the top, down here. We just want to make that void under the top of the presswood here. So we're going to do it 3 times. Boy, I hate this thing. Gotta tighten it up every time. So again, so when that clip rotates in there, it's got a void to lock into. When it rotates in,